Hello everyone, welcome back to E-Classes of Commerce Standard 12. In this video, we are going to begin difference between formal and informal communication from your textbook. So let's read the difference between formal and informal communication. First point is meaning. So formal communication's meaning is communication system which depends on rules and regulations and accomplishment of business objective is known as formal communication. Now, meaning of informal communication. Communication system which depends on human relation and friendship is known as informal communication. So the difference between formal and informal communication is here in formal communication the communication is depending on rules and regulations, and in informal communication it is depending on human relations and friendship. Second point, purpose. Let's read it. The purpose of formal communication is control and coordination. And in informal communication, the purpose of informal communication is to give more coordination and credibility to the organization. So, here in formal communication, the main purpose or the main objective of communication is to control and coordinate. But in informal communication, if employees' relationship is better, they are friendly with each other, they are colleagues, so their coordination can give credibility to the organization. Third point, base. Due to rules and regulations, exchange of information between two people takes place. And due to personal and friendly relations, exchange of information between two people takes place. So, formal communications base is rules and regulation. Whatever the communication is carried out, it is because of rules and regulation. But in informal communication, whatever the communication is carried down, it is because of friendly relations and personal relations. Fourth point, control and supervision. Formal communication, it requires control and supervision. But in informal communication, it does not require control and supervision. So here in informal communication, there is no need of control and supervision as it is totally based on human relations, friendly relations or personal relations. Fifth point, flexibility. Formal communication is less flexible, whereas informal communication is more flexible. Sixth point, time. Formal communication takes place at the workplace during working hours, whereas informal communication takes place at any place or during working hours. So, formal communication is carried down only at workplace and during working hours. But informal communication may take place anytime, anywhere, and at any place, regardless of working hours. Seventh point, information in advance. Formal communication. Here, sender and receiver of information as well as form of communication are decided beforehand. That means in formal communication, everything is decided in advance. Who will send information to whom and who is going to report to whom. So such kind of information that is to be sent and received, it is decided previously. But in informal communication, form of communication and procedure are not decided beforehand. It takes place as per time and situation. So there is no particular process for such communication as it is totally based on human relations, friendship. So it takes place as per time and situation. So here we are done with the 7 characteristics of formal and informal communication. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.